Again, another position, shoulder workout. So, from the down, 1, 2, slow mo, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then, push, vertical. 7, 8, 9, 10. So, maganda yan sa ating shoulder. So, let's go. Again, second round. From the down, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then push forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So ayan, napakaganda sa ating shoulder yan. Again, third round. 1, 2, kita mo yung shoulder na yan. Yan yung mino-workout natin. So, push forward. So, ayan. Ramdam natin yung part na to. Ayan. Kabilaan. So, ibig sabihin, effective yung workout natin. So, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Bye-bye! Boom!